They're off in the Christmas COVID handicap hurdle. And first to show is Omicron Lad. Omicron Lad being closely followed by the Booster. Omicron Lad in a bit of an early race here with each other. The Booster and Omicron Lad. Antigen test trying to get in there. Antigen test. Omicron Lad, the Booster. Track and Trace trying to get a look in, but he looks to be struggling early doors, I'm afraid. Track and Trace. Antigen test on the outside. Here comes HEPA filters. Being followed by the Booster. Omicron Lad, the Booster. Omicron Lad not giving an inch to the Booster. HEPA filters. Here comes New Year's Eve, absolutely cruising on the outside. Everybody talking about this one, New Year's Eve, looking confident and assured. The Booster, Omicron Lad, HEPA filters, Track and Trace is knackered, he's gone. New Year's Eve is coming fast. Sudden spike appears out of nowhere. Sudden spike, the big danger. New Year's Eve, the Booster plugging away gamely with Omicron Lad. New Year's Eve, sudden spike. Here comes Leave Them Kids Alone. Leave Them Kids Alone. Sudden spike, New Year's Eve, and a late challenge from It's Only a Cold. It's Only a Cold. Sudden spike, Leave Them Kids Alone. The Booster, fourth dose. Nobody saw this one coming. Fourth dose out of nowhere. It's only a cold. Fourth dose. It's only a cold. Leave them kids alone. Fourth dose. It's only a cold. Oh, I have no idea how they're going to sort this one out, to be honest with you. They all crossed the line together. New Year's Eve just crossing the line now, absolutely spent. And Track and Trace is still running, would you believe?